Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you an exciting engineering activity based on the story of the Three Little Pigs. The story is a classic tale that highlights the importance of building strong and sturdy structures. In STEM education, building structures is an important activity that promotes problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. So, I have an exciting STEM construction activity that will challenge you and your children to build a structure with different materials. The activity involves building a house using noodles, popsicle sticks, wire, toothsticks, spaghetti, and Play-Doh. The objective is to create the strongest house possible to protect the little pig from wind. To start, children can work in pairs or small groups. They have a set amount of time to build their houses using these materials. The design of the house is up to them, but they need to consider the strength of materials, the size of the house, and the overall stability of the structure. Once the time is up, it's time to test the houses. Children can simulate external forces like wind by blowing on the houses in different levels. For example, once we found blowing is not enough for testing, we introduced a hairdryer to produce the stronger wind. The house that withstands the most external forces and remains standing is the winner. You can also have participants measure the size of their house to see whether it is big enough to protect the pig. Children may find that some houses are too big or small for the little pig. This activity is a great way to engage participants in STEM education and promote critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It can be done at home or in the classroom and is suitable for 2 to 5 years old. To sum up, this STEM activity, based on the story we share with children in advance, is a really enjoyable way to encourage our children to develop their creativity and critical thinking abilities while constructing a robust and durable structure. Give it a try and see who can build the best and strongest house.